Every year around the holidays, we're all gathered around the table, plates full of turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, yams. Everybody smiling and laughing, passing dishes back and forth. And you ever look down at your fur baby just sitting there watching everybody eat? No, not mine, because he be jumping around. But, tail be wagging like they're trying to be patient. Like, where's my plate? Where's my food? But they're wondering, what about me? That's the moment that always hits me. I love my dog, and I know he has feelings too. These little animals didn't ask to be ours. If we're going to be honest, we kidnapped them into our families. And the least we can do is treat them like they belong here. So this year, I decided my fur baby is getting Thanksgiving dinner. And not just scraps off my plate. Something made just for him. Safe for his stomach, full of love, and full of holiday flavor. I've dealt with stomach issues with him before, and trust me, the pain point is real. The late night digestive noises, the refusing to walk, the sad eyes, like he's uncomfortable but can't tell you how. I know that helpless feeling. And that's when I said, no more, I'm done guessing. I'm done wasting my money on expensive holiday dog meals that they sell online or sell in the, pet stores. I'm done stressing, wondering what ingredients is upsetting his stomach this time. So I put together a beginner-friendly homemade Thanksgiving dog food recipe that gives your fur baby their own special plate, just like the rest of the family, and is made with dog-safe ingredients, holiday-inspired flavors, and real whole foods that actually help them thrive. And the best part, you know exactly what's going into his bowl. No fillers, no mystery meat, no long list of ingredients you cannot pronounce. Just real food, real nutrients, and real love. I walk you through every step with the full ingredient list, clear directions, a complete grocery list, and an estimated cost so you can budget before you shop. I made this because our dogs deserve to feel included, especially during the holidays. If we get to enjoy Thanksgiving, why can't they? Your fur baby will smell that food cooking just like mine did, and trust me, the excitement is real. So if you want to make your dog feel special, loved, and included this holiday season, if you want a safe recipe, simple, cozy, and made with ingredients you actually recognize, I've got you right here, friend. The full recipe with step-by-step instructions and a printable grocery list is linked right in my description box. Go ahead and grab it, and let's make this Thanksgiving the one where your fur baby finally gets their own plate at the table, because they're not just a pet, they're family. And family deserves love, care, and delicious holiday meals too. Thank you for watching.
Can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bulls, but your potion number 9.